The matter is being examined.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home, Preston Tensong, today informed the Assembly that the setting up of the Emergency Fire Service in Mawryngkneng is under process. Replying during the question hour, Tensong said once the land is being handed over to the police department, the process of creation of infrastructure will start. He said that the land acquisition is in the final stage and that there has been no agreement made with the landowners.
Acquisition process. It takes a lot of time, and of course now I'm happy to inform the honourable member that the land acquisition process is almost completed. Now we are in the stage of notification 19.1, section 19.1, and thereafter, maybe after maximum after 2 or 3 months, the land can be taken over by the government for necessary infrastructure creation over there.